How to get rid of squirrels in garden or out of attic. In this video we'll explore various methods for effectively removing squirrels from your yard. Squirrels, with their playful antics and bushy tails, are a common sight in many urban and suburban areas. While these small rodents can be charming to observe from a distance, they can also become a nuisance when they take up residence in your home or wreak havoc in your garden. The first step in dealing with a squirrel infestation is to identify how they are gaining access to your home or property. Inspect the exterior of your house for openings such as gaps in the roofline, holes in the siding, or broken vents that squirrels could use to enter. Once you've identified potential entry points, seal them off to prevent squirrels from getting inside your home. Use sturdy materials such as metal flashing, hardware cloth, or foam sealant to close off gaps and holes. Pay special attention to areas where electrical wires, pipes, or vents enter your home, as squirrels can squeeze through surprisingly small openings. Squirrels are agile climbers and can use overhanging branches to access your roof or attic. Trim tree branches that are close to your house to make it more difficult for squirrels to jump onto your roof or reach vulnerable entry points. If squirrels are raiding your bird feeders or garden, consider installing squirrel-proofing devices to deter them. These may include baffles or domes to prevent squirrels from accessing bird feeders, or wire mesh barriers to protect vulnerable plants in your garden. There are various commercial repellents available that can help deter squirrels from frequenting your property. These repellents often contain natural ingredients like pepper or predator urine, which emit odors that squirrels find unpleasant. Apply repellents to areas where squirrels are active, such as around bird feeders or near entry points to your home. If squirrels have already taken up residence in your attic or another area of your home, trapping and releasing them may be necessary. Live traps can be baited with nuts or peanut butter and placed near entry points or along squirrels' travel paths. Once trapped, release the squirrels in a suitable location far away from your home. Squirrels are sensitive to sound and light, so installing devices that emit ultrasonic sound waves or flashing lights can help deter them from your property. These devices can be placed in areas where squirrels are active, such as attics or crawl spaces. Once you've successfully removed squirrels from your property, take preventative measures to avoid future infestations. Regularly inspect your home for signs of entry points and seal them off promptly. Keep trees and vegetation trimmed to minimize access points for squirrels, and consider installing squirrel-proofing devices to protect bird feeders and gardens. By implementing these methods, you can effectively remove squirrels from your property and prevent them from causing further damage or nuisance. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.